Alright, so here's the 41 degree that everybody's been asking about. I've hit probably 10 balls with it so far. As you can see, kind of hitting it on the inside just a little bit. There's a couple marks that are, pretty spot on. And there's one over there that's a little on the toe. But anyway, I was going for the 150 out there, and it's consistently getting it to about the 150, and that's what I hit my 9-iron. So I know the real test will be whenever I get, whenever I get to on a course. But you get the idea. Don't know if you could hear that. I'll try and get one closer, but that was awesome. Actually almost just hit the 150 marker out there, so that was pretty cool.